Good evening. This was the day a former flight instructor was to be sentenced for setting up a camera in a bathroom inside a Flint airport hangar. But when the Linden resident found out the judge wasn't going to abide by an agreed upon jail term, he changed his mind. So Terry, this case will now go to trial?
It appears that way at this point. Brendan McConaughey was already on the Michigan Sex Offender Registry after pleading no contest to 12 charges in December. He's expected to be taken off that registry now that he's withdrawn his plea.
We've been solid from the beginning that there would be no plea bargain in that case.
But the alleged victims and their families were not happy when Brendan McConaughey agreed to plead no contest to all 12 charges he faced back in December and served 12 months in jail, a jail sentence the women felt was too lenient. Genesee County Prosecutor David Layton says his office felt the same way.
The COPS agreement is an agreement between the defendant and the judge. The original agreement was for 12 months. We objected to that.
And at Tuesday's scheduled sentencing hearing, Genesee County Circuit Court Judge Brian Pickell informed McConaughey that after reviewing the case further and reading the 4 victims' impact statements, he wanted to have McConaughey spend at least 2 years in prison. McConaughey withdrew his plea.
I think it's what we were hoping for.
Grace Balmer was one of the women videotaped in the unisex bathroom at the Crossroads Aviation Hangar at Bishop Airport, a place where McConaughey was the flight instructor. Images of the victims were found on a SIM card from a drone that McConaughey sold to a person in Florida. The most serious charge McConaughey faced, child abusive activity aggravated, has a prison sentence of up to 25 years.
Just think about your daughters, your sisters, your mothers, your granddaughters. Would you wish this upon them? And would you ever, would 12 months in the jail be, acceptable to you? And it wasn't to us.
Now McConaughey, the victims, and the prosecutor's office have to prepare for a trial.
In our stance, he's guilty, and there's no way he's innocent.
Now, I could not reach McConaughey's attorney for comment, but in court today, he indicated he wants to remand the case back to district court in hopes of holding a preliminary examination.